Today we are going to discuss about how to find formal charge by using simple method. That method is, here it is formal charge equal to V minus B minus D. Here V means valency electrons, B means number of bonds and D means number of dots. జనరల్గా మనకి ఫార్మల్ ఛార్జ్ అనేది ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలంటే మెయిన్గా మనకి 2 పాయింట్స్ అనేది తెలియాలి. ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్, మనం ఏదైతే ఎలిమెంట్ యొక్క ఫార్మల్ ఛార్జ్ అనేది ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తున్నామో ఆ ఎలిమెంట్ యొక్క గ్రూప్ నంబర్ ఆర్ వ్యాలెన్సీ ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ అని తెలియాలి. దట్ ఈస్ ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్. సెకండ్ పాయింట్, లూయిస్ డాట్ సింబల్స్ అని తెలియాలి. దట్ ఈస్ లూయిస్ ఎలక్ట్రానిక్ సింబల్స్ అని తెలియాలి మనకి. ఈ 2 పాయింట్స్ అని తెలిస్తే కనుక ఈ సింపుల్ మెథడ్ అనేది ఉపయోగించి ఫార్మల్ ఛార్జ్ ఆఫ్ ఎనీ ఎలిమెంట్ ఇన్ గివెన్ కాంపౌండ్స్ అనేవి మనం ఈజీగా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు. ఓకే, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఫార్మల్ ఛార్జ్ ఈక్వల్ టు V minus B minus D. That is the trick or simple easiest method. Here it is V means valence electrons, B means number of bonds, D means number of dots. Clear? If you take one example, here it is CO2. Okay, CO2 structure will be linear structure and it is represented by Lewis electrons dot symbol. Okay, ఇక్కడ మనం క్లియర్ గా తెలియస్తే కార్బన్ అండ్ ఆక్సిజన్ 2 డిఫరెంట్ ఆటమ్స్ అని ఉన్నాయి అన్నమాట. ఓకే, కార్బన్ యొక్క గ్రూప్ నంబర్ కనుక తీసుకుంటే పీరియాడిక్ టేబుల్ 14th గ్రూప్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఆర్ 4th గ్రూప్ ఎలిమెంట్. క్లియర్? గ్రూప్ నంబర్ ఈక్వల్ టు వ్యాలెన్స్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్. ఆ వ్యాలెన్స్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ మనం డాట్ సింబల్స్ తో రిప్రజెంటేషన్ చేయాలన్నమాట. అంటే ఇక్కడ మనకి కార్బన్ తీసుకుంటే దట్ ఈస్ 4th గ్రూప్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఆర్ 14th గ్రూప్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఇన్ పీరియాడిక్ టేబుల్. ఓకే, గ్రూప్ నంబర్ ఈక్వల్ టు వ్యాలెన్స్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్. Group number equal to valence electrons. Similarly, oxygen is the 6th group element. That is 6 valence electrons in oxygen valence shell, and it is represented by 2s2 2p4. These 6 electrons present in s subshell and p subshell of the oxygen atom. Here it is carbon is the 4th group element and the 4th group element having 4 valence electrons. That valence electrons present in S and P subshells. Okay, clear? Then how to represent Lewis dot structures? Here it is CO2, carbon is central atom and carbon is 4th group element and that having 4 valence electrons. Oxygen is 6th group element and that having 6 valence electrons. Here it is carbon and carbon having 4 valence electrons. That 4 valence electrons represents by 4 dots. Here one oxygen atom and that oxygen atom present in 6th group element in periodic table. That's why here it is 2 electrons and remaining 2 electrons and remaining another 2 electrons. Okay, here it is another oxygen atom is present. That's why here it is another oxygen atom that having 6 valence electrons. That 6 valence electrons represents by 6 dots. Okay, bond formed in between the unpair of electrons of 2 atoms. In between the 2 atoms. Here it is unpair of electron. That is bond formed in between the carbon and oxygen atom. Here it is also same. Here it is also same. Here it is also same. Okay. Then how to find formal charge of carbon, formal charge of oxygen, and formal charge of another oxygen atom. Okay, clear? First to find formal charge of carbon atom. Here it is formal charge of carbon atom. Okay, clear? What is method? That method is formal charge equal to valency electrons minus number of bonds minus number of dots. Okay, clear? Dots means non-bonding electrons. Here it is dots means non-bonding electrons. Okay, clear? Here it is formal charge of carbon, valency electrons of carbon. Valence electrons equal to 4 minus valence electrons of carbon is 4 minus B means number of bonds. Here carbon having 4 bonds, that's why minus 4 minus D means number of dots means number of non-bonding electrons dots. Okay, here it is carbon having there is no non-bonding electrons, that's why minus 0. Okay, clear? 4 minus 0. 4 is number of valence electrons of carbon and this 4 is number of bonds of carbon atom and 0 means that is number of non-bonding electrons of carbon equal to 0. Okay. Finally, formal charge of carbon equal to 0. That is, here it is formal charge of carbon equal to 0. Okay, clear? Then formal charge of oxygen. Here it is first oxygen, here it is second oxygen. Formal charge of first oxygen. Then how to find? By using this method. Here it is formal charge equal to V means valence electrons, B means number of bonds, D means non-bonding electron dots. Clear? Oxygen. Here it is oxygen. Oxygen means that is sixth group element. Sixth group element means 6 valence electrons minus number of bonds. Here it is 2 bonds are present. That is 6 minus 2 minus number of dots. Dots means non-bonding electrons. Here it is 4 dots are present. That's why minus 4. Here minus 6 plus 6. Total 0. That is formal charge of first oxygen equal to 0. And then formal charge of second oxygen. Second oxygen equal to, here it is oxygen atom and its group number will be 6th group element and its valence electrons is equal to 6. That's why formal charge of second oxygen equal to 6 minus number of bonds. Here it is 2 bonds are present minus number of non-bonding electrons dots. Here it is non-bonding electrons 1, 2, 3, 4. That's why minus 4. Okay, minus 2, minus 4, minus 6 plus 6, that equal to 0. That is the formal charge of second oxygen equal to 0. Okay, clear? Let us take another example. Here it is CO3 minus 2. In CO3 minus 2, carbon is a central atom and its general structure trigonal planar geometry depending on valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. That's why C double bond O minus and another O minus. Then how to represent Lewis dot structure? Here it is Lewis dot structure. Carbon group number will be 4th group element. That's why carbon having 4 valence electrons. Okay. Here it is 2 valence electrons, another 2 valence electrons. Total 4 valence electrons of carbon. And oxygen. Here it is oxygen. Oxygen means that is the 6th group element in periodic table or 16th group element in periodic table. That's why oxygen having 6 valence electrons. That 6 valence electrons is represented by 6 dots. Okay. Another oxygen atom. Here it is oxygen atom. Oxygen atom having 6 valence electrons depending on 6th group element. Okay. Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clear? Another oxygen atom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, clear? Bond formed in between the unpair of electrons of carbon and oxygen atoms. Clear? But here 2 minus charges are present. That's why each oxygen atom having 1 minus. Here it is 1 minus. Here it is another minus. Minus means addition of 1 electron. That is minus of 1 electron, minus of 1 electron. Clear? That is the CO3 minus 2 Lewis dot structure. Okay, clear? Then how to find formal charge of atoms? Formal charge of central carbon atom. Central carbon atom. Here, formal charge of any atom is equal to valence electrons minus number of bonds minus number of dots. Dots means non-bonding electron dots. Clear? Here it is carbon, central atom carbon, group number equal to 4th group element and its valence electrons equal to 4. Minus D means number of bonds. Here it is 4 bonds are present. That bonds having 3 sigma bonds and 1 pi bond. That's why total 4 bonds. Minus number of dots. Dots means number of non-bonding electron dots. Here it is no non-bonding electron dots. That's why 0. Total 4 minus 4 equal 0. Formal charge of carbon in CO3 minus 2 equal to 0. Here, next, here it is first oxygen. Here it is first oxygen and second oxygen. Here it is third oxygen atom. Then how to find formal charges of these three oxygen atoms? Okay, formal charge of first oxygen atom. First oxygen atom. Here it is oxygen atom, and its group number will be sixth group element, and that having 6 valency electrons. That's why 6 minus number of bonds. Here it is 2 bonds are present. That is 1 sigma bond and 1 pi bond, whatever it may be. Total 2 bonds are present. Okay, clear? Minus D. D means number of non-bonding electron dots. Here it is 4 dots are present. That's why minus 4. Total 6 minus 6 equal to 0. Formal charge of first oxygen equal to 0. Here, then formal charge of second oxygen atom. Oxygen atom group number equal to 6th group element or 16th group element, and that oxygen atom having 6 valence electrons. That's why 6 minus number of bonds. Here it is only 1 bond is present for this oxygen atom. Clear? Minus number of dots. Dots means non-bonding electron dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here it is 6. Okay. Then finally minus 6 plus 6. Finally minus 1. That is second oxygen atom. Formal charge equal to minus 1. Clear? And formal charge of third oxygen atom. Third oxygen atom. Here it is third oxygen atom. Oxygen atom means that is 6th group element or 16th group element that having 6 valence electrons. That's why 6 minus number of bonds. Here it is only 1 bond minus number of dots. Dots means number of non-bonding electron dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's why minus 6. Here plus 6 minus 6. Finally minus 1. Okay. Here it is third oxygen formal charge equal to minus 1. Here, let us take another example. Here it is ozone. That ozone means O3. That O3 containing 3 oxygen atoms. Then how to draw its Lewis dot structures? Here it is central oxygen atom and another bonded 2 oxygen atoms. Each oxygen atom having 6 valence electrons. That 6 valence electrons represented by 6 dots. Clear? Here it is also another oxygen atom that having also same 6 electrons. It is also 6 valence electrons of oxygen atom. That is, in between these 2 oxygen atoms, 2 bonds formed in between the unpair of electrons of oxygen atoms. Here it is another third bond of central atom, that is dative bond, by using these 2 electrons. Okay, here it is another third bond of central oxygen atom. That bond having 2 electrons. That 2 electrons contributes central oxygen atom. Here it is first oxygen atom. Here it is second oxygen atom. Here it is third oxygen atom. Then how to find formal charge of these oxygen atoms? Okay. Here it is formal charge method. That is formal charge equal to V minus B minus D. That's why formal charge of first oxygen atom. First oxygen atom. Okay, clear? That equal to first oxygen is central oxygen atom that having 2 dot electrons and 3 bonds, and its valence electrons equal to 6. First V means valence electron 6 minus bonds. Bonds means 3 minus D means number of non-bonded electrons. Here it is 2. Okay, clear? 6 minus 3 minus 2. That's why 6 minus 5 equal to plus 1. That is the formal charge of central oxygen. That is first oxygen formal charge equal to plus 1. Then formal charge of second oxygen atom. Second oxygen atom. Okay. That equal to second oxygen is this, and this oxygen atom having valence electrons equal to 6 minus that second oxygen having 2 bonds. That's why 6 minus 2 minus D means number of non-bonding electron dots. Here it is 4. That's why minus 4. Clear? 6 minus 6 equal to 0. Second oxygen atom formal charge equal to 0. Clear? Then formal charge of third oxygen atom equal to third oxygen is valence electrons equal to 6 minus number of bonds equal to only one bond minus number of non-bonding electron dots. Here it is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that's why minus 6. Here 6 minus 6. Finally minus. That is the third oxygen formal charge. Okay, clear?